Hey friends, if you wish to fix this issue with the Notion desktop app is not working, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, here's the thing. Since Notion is present on the Microsoft Store, I'll search for Microsoft Store and open it and make sure to download Notion from the Microsoft Store itself. I'll tell you the reason why, but first I'll tell you how. Click on Notion and then click on install. Why do I suggest Notion? The reason is that Notion is an application which has a lot of copies. Okay, it has a lot of fake applications, and to make sure that you are downloading and installing the original one, please make sure to download and install it from the Microsoft Store. Once this is done, check if it works. If it doesn't work, then search for Notion in the Windows search bar, and in the right pane you can select uninstall and then uninstall Notion and then reinstall it again from the Microsoft Store, just like we did it. There is no other solution to this issue because this does not have the option to repair and reset the application. So the only solution to fix when Notion desktop app is not working is to reinstall it from the Microsoft Store and not from the company website. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.